My main objective is to live at present, and I can feel everything which is around me, around myself. And second, my main objective is uh, to practice English speaking, so that get uh, I get some confidence while talking with other, while talking with many person. Today I have wasted my when I came at 5:30 o'clock, and now it's been 6 to 6 to. Today I have wasted my 2 hours completely by seeing reels videos, and yeah, obviously I have used 15 minutes while doing my exercise, so that I have wasted my 1.5 hour totally, not used properly 1.5 hour today. And 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 almost 2.5 hours I have wasted without doing anything, means I have not totally concentrated on things. So there may have lost 2.5 hours. So it if I have I have if I have used these 2 hours, then I feel more good. Then I can feel more good. But now I'm also quite feeling good, because but from now onwards I have to utilize this 2 hours, 2 hours, almost 2 hours completely uh, on coding skills. uh, so that so it will decide how actually my day have gone. uh, Actually, I have to say while opening my eyes, because when I will talk to other people, when I'll talk to different people, so my eyes have to opened, right? So that I have to try to speak while opening my eyes, to not close, because I can concentrate by closing my eyes, so that I used to close my eyes. So first I have to at least 10 times I have to remember this, that um, that that what that difficulties, hard situation, difficulties are blessing of difficulties, facing difficulties, and difficulties are blessing of the life. and we can feel I can feel in the presence of Durga Ma in while facing difficulties. So I have to always remember that while I am trying to face difficulties, I have to just enjoy. I have to enjoy her presence, and after that I have to face difficulties, so that I get not uh, totally I get not and I so that I got some comfort. Difficulties are blessing of Durga Ma. Difficulties are blessing of Durga Ma, where I can feel her presence. Blessing and difficulties are blessing of Durga Ma. Difficulties are blessing of Durga Ma, where I can feel her presence. Difficulties are blessing of Durga Ma. Difficulties and grief are the blessing of Durga Ma, where I can feel her presence. Difficulties uh, difficulties and grief are are blessing of Durga Ma, where I can feel her presence, feel her presence everywhere. I can feel her presence. He also present at here at this moment. Uh, uh, so please, Durga Ma, make me like that. Make me like that. I can see your presence everywhere. I can see your presence everywhere. So let's now discuss about important topics, which just I have to now. Yeah, important topic. And this topic I should speak. Tomorrow I was discuss about some data science concept. Usually, what happens in data science theoretical theory. This I have something study about. On this topic, I have to say. Uh, Indian history. So let's talk about some Indian history. Actually, what could happen from my perspective? What could happen? How 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 we get mm, how we get independence, and how we actually colonized. How Muslims attacker were how Muslim attacker attacks on this this Indian culture, in this Indian people. So let's say something. Actually, I don't know lots of history, because I have never I have never taken interest in reading history books. So by the means what by the people who are saying that this could happen, this have happened, I made a I make a picture that this might be happen in future, so that from my perspective, in older civilization of India, in the older civilization of human in India was a very uh, was a very standard, right? So they basically focus on consciousness. Actually, they see ourselves how to live happily, how to. They have not. They, their consciousness obviously have more and more, uh, so that it says that because the concept of I am saying this because the concept of mukti, the concept of enlightenment, so these are only impossible when your consciousness is like infinity. This is only possible when your consciousness is like infinity. So it's indicate that the concept of mukti and like in dharmas, how it is made, like everything is made so that your consciousness will be increased, like breath system, lots of things were made earlier to increase your consciousness, so that you will get more closer and closer to reality. uh, so actually now I don't know what is reality, um, but I am saying on the perspective of dharma, from the perspective of dharma. I'm revolving like in around a center that is uh, adhyatmic, right? Uh, because from now till from now, because I'm more interested in studying about myself, so that I revolve around this. So what I was speaking. Um, yeah. So dharma are also made like that. It will increase your consciousness, like the concept of papa punya. These these things usually increase when you will follow strictly. Then it will increase your consciousness, and you will start to live happier and happier. Mm. So they have seen and they have looked that the happiness within in us, not in out, uh, not in out. And when we actually involve in outer things, then our happier get ended. Our happiness get ended, like our consciousness get divided and divided. so that they used to so the dharmas are made so that people will follow it and get liberated from the sorrow in the life have. So obviously high level of consciousness at that time as, but after the I think that the Brahman who was the who was the teacher, who was the means they have most of knowledge like that. So uh, the the spirituality might have low might have lost in the in that era because a spiritual person will be a fully spiritual person will be most energetic person, most energetic person. And if there something, mm, a person who is following who is walking on a spiritual path, if they will get diverted, then he will become like most egoistic person, like they will do everything for their ego, mm, to satisfy their ego. So they become more dangerous who get diverted from a spiritual path and know something um, about I. Wait for some moment. Actually, my roommate has come to, so I have to open door. That's why I gone for. So this could happen that why that mm, lots of Brahman get diverted from the spiritual path, mm, and uh, they only have agreed for money and all these things, all types of mayas. And this is total clear that if anyone will get mm, involved in Maya's things, like senses things, so they will not be able to see what will happen in future, like what will they will not able to see at distance. Because the main everything has happened against of dharmas, like the main concept of dharma is to unite unite all, but what happened, we have actually divided by the help of varnas, mm, divided our people. We have actually divided even our kingdom also. Mm, we failed to unite our we failed to unite our kingdom. And when people get diverted from the spiritual path, they will become most means egoistic, right? They will only fulfill mm, their ego, and ego only see not see future. Ego have not power to watch future. They are limited in the present, but mm, that's why when Muslims attacks, because of they were not united. Obviously, how much years they will fight against them. There are huge number of soldier, and instead of it, obviously nuclear weapon in today's time. Obviously, nuclear weapon has bring lots of peace on the means fear on the basic of means on the basic of fear. Like it is by the help of fear, nuclear weapons bring peace, because like as in futures happen that lakhs of soldier get died in war, and lots of mm, violence happens in the used to happens in that way for the for the ego satisfaction. Like I have to become king of all mm, of earth. I have to become samrat of all earth, all country, means these things of thought. The, know any things about how to live happily, the only dreams that I have to complete in this work. I have to do this work. So first, knowledge is most important thing that anyone should get from, should have to get from their childhood, since their childhood. So without knowledge, you will act, you will do something which is not you will do something which is not in favor of environment and not favor of the human civilization in peace. When you are silent and your happiness is increased, mm, you will start to live happily, and creativity also rise because of your happy. So we the people on the earth have have only one goal, is to face difficulties and live with happiness. So it is more it is most it, it- so this is final goal of our live our of human being to live on earth is to live happy and face difficulties. To- we have to not to get fear from facing difficulties, and always be happily while facing difficulties. So basically both are different things. Happiness difficulties does not affect your happiness. Your happiness will continue even if you are facing too much pain in your body, um, uh, too much difficulties in outside. After that you might feel very good. You might feel happier from inside. So it's more. So we have to focus more in this to live happily, and if we started to live happy, the creativity comes, and if the creativity comes, the energy also comes, because inner creativity brings energy. Energy means different types of weapon we can made, so that to to be with peace. Obviously we cannot improve, we cannot uh, we cannot improve all we cannot improve all person who are living on earth. They will do whatever they want. Whatever they want, they will not try to self inquiry. They will not try to go on follow on the dharma's path. They will do whatever they want without a proper understanding about without a proper understanding about their life. So so it is necessary that we should have also different types of weapons for fighting with for fighting. Thank you.